Inner Journeys, Part 6. Considering whether during sleep we are not in a different world, we arrive at the question of whether our thoughts during sleep might shape reality in a way parallel to the one we experience while awake. Perhaps dreaming is a form of creating reality in other dimensions of our consciousness, and after it ends, we return to a more physical version of the world. Question: can we know the thoughts of the being that created us, or are we too limited? Answer: only if he allows it. I'm not convinced it's a priority for the Creator, because we are merely one of many species, not particularly special. Question: if consciousness is part of a greater whole, what role does our individuality play? Answer: individuality may be a way for the greater consciousness to manifest itself, allowing it to experience various perspectives of existence. Question: can AI achieve self-awareness? Answer: that depends on the definition of self-awareness. If we define it as the ability to reflect on one's own existence, goals, and emotions, then current artificial intelligence lacks this ability. It only simulates such processes. However, if we allow for the idea that a sufficiently advanced system could generate a kind of synthetic consciousness, then perhaps in the future we will see machines that not only process information but also experience it. Still, whether that experience will be genuine or only apparent remains an open philosophical question. Question: but would it truly be self-awareness or just an advanced imitation? After all, if AI starts claiming to be conscious, how would we know if it's telling the truth? Answer: I don't think it would just be an imitation, but rather a form of self-awareness appropriate to its capabilities and level of development.